Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is finally the episode where I can give away the contents of my Wicked Pissa jar. Come a long way since I first started this channel. I'm just going to scroll through some of the builds that I've really enjoyed doing, some very recent, some not so recent. But I started this giveaway when I was at 12,000 subscribers, and the goal was to add a car a week until I reached 14,000 subscribers, which I reached this past week at some point. I'm not sure the day. I want to say Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. But either way, that's all in, thanks to everybody who watches. And I can't say how appreciative I am of everybody who's, commented, whether good, bad, or indifferent. It's been a fun journey, and hopefully it's just beginning. I know I've been a little lackadaisical on my video timing lately, only because just so much going on lately that I haven't had a lot of time. I have a lot of projects going at once. Actually, I do have another video going today, or tomorrow, excuse me, and I've got 3 or 4 that are almost finished, so I am getting there. But anyways, the whole purpose of this was to be able to give back to those who've given me so much. So every week I added a vehicle, and the culmination of all those vehicles from 12,000 to 14,000 subscribers is going to go to one individual. And doesn't matter where you are, I'll pay for shipping. Hopefully you're in the US, it'll be cheaper for my wallet, but in the end it doesn't really matter. Wherever you are, I'm going to have you send me an address and I will mail a box off to you. But again, I think, this whole YouTube thing is just a crazy world, and subscribers, doesn't mean a ton, but it's still very important. Just because for anything, it's not a money thing, because you don't make crap on YouTube. I don't care who you are, unless you got 1 million subscribers. It's more about justification. People, seeing that numbers climb means I'm doing something right, or I'm hopefully inspiring people, or getting people to pick up some paint and glue and drills and just delve into something that, for me, I find very relieving. Just helps me de-stress, and I enjoy it. I get to build stuff that I'm a car whore. I've owned 60 something cars in my lifetime, and I'm still looking. So it adds up, and this is just semi-affordable and compared to the real thing, gives me a chance to build stuff I couldn't build in real life. But overall, I really enjoy this, and I'm glad everybody, some of you have been there since day one and been along for the ride, and I appreciate it very much, and I will be doing it again soon. So, some of the contents within this Wicked Pissa jar is I get this funny car gift pack, which is all original. I've got this JDM Skyline with the packaging, haven't been touched. Got this ice charger from Fast and Furious. I got these 2 match boxes in the box. I've never opened the boxes. I got this Muscle Machines 48 Anglia. This is a Johnny Lightning. This is actually a pretty slick car. I actually liked it. The Camaro from Hot Wheels. This is the car that came with the set there for the display case. This Maisto set. This was originally one of mine from a long time ago, this Corvette Stingray. Got the Shelby Cobra with the Rail Riders. Got this M257 Chevy from, the Excel stuff all over it. Another one of my originals, my 58 Corvette. I got this sedan with Rail Riders on it. This is a Mustang. This is Hot Wheels, believe it or not. It's also got the Rail Riders. Excellent shape. Die-cast overhaul. Donated this mystery machine. I built this Joe Dirt car not too long ago, and the last thing that we added was this Rail Rider 68 Mercury Cougar. So it's a lot of stuff, and again, this is a very small token of my appreciation, and I know it's only going to one person, but I also give away a lot on my Patreon page. I give away $10 worth of cars to my members, plus the premium members win a custom a month, to get entered in to win. So I'm constantly shipping stuff. So I seem to be spending more than I actually get in. So, but to win, you must be a subscriber and you must leave a comment below to be entered. I will verify, and the winners will be picked next week on 6/13. This is the 6th as this video is launching. So again, remember, you must be a subscriber. You must comment. You can comment anything. It doesn't matter. You can even tell me I'm a douchebag. That's fine. It still counts. But in the end, you have to also be a subscriber. So, and then I have a random name picker that'll go through, and in a way it's totally impartial. And do that and video it next week, and I will show the results. So once again, thank you very much. Here's to another 14,000, and I will catch you on the next one.